How to add a link to Facebook story. Hello everyone, welcome to this channel. I'm Emily and I'm here to help you out today. So without any delay, let's get started. So first of all, make sure you have stable Wi-Fi connection on your device. After that, launch the Facebook application. Here, make sure that you are logged in to your account over here. So simply you can tap on your profile to log in. So I have logged into my account over here. Now, if you want to add a link to your Facebook story, first of all, you need to copy your link. I've already copied the link. So I'm directly going to Facebook and tap on Create Story. As I tap on Create Story, I'm simply going to tap on the camera icon. And then as I tap on the camera icon, simply click a picture. So this is a very random picture over here. And here, simply tap on the sticker option at the top of the screen. As I tap on it, here you'll be able to see different options. So simply what you can do is tap on the GIF option, or you can just go back and then tap on scrolling down. Here you can see no options to add a link. So you can simply go back and here just make a long press on the text option. And then here you can just put out the link. Then tap on share over here, and that's how you can add a link to Facebook story. So that's it. Thank you so much for watching this video and see you next time.